Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 1B1. In a school, learners were surveyed about the time they spent on the internet over a weekend. The results were displayed by a box and whisker plot as shown below. Is the data positively or negatively skewed? So we check the box and whisker. How do we tell the data is positively or negatively skewed? We can use our values for Q1, Q2, and Q3. So now we check the difference here between Q2 and Q1. Let's call it difference 1. And then we check the difference between Q2 and Q3. Let's call it difference 2. Right? If difference between Q2 and Q1 is bigger than the difference between Q3 and Q2, then the graph is negatively skewed or skewed to the left. If the difference between Q3 and Q2 is bigger than the difference between Q2 and Q1, then the data will be positively skewed or skewed to the right. Okay, so let's find these differences. But you can also see from the graph here, we can see that the graph should be negatively skewed because Q2 minus Q1 is going to be bigger than Q3 minus Q2. Even if we draw a distribution curve here inside the box, like this, you can easily see where the tail is. The tail is on the left, meaning that the data is negatively skewed. So you can say Q2 minus Q1, which is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And then we have Q3 minus Q2, which is equal to 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1. So we can see that Q2 minus Q1 is bigger than Q3 minus Q2. So the data is negatively skewed or skewed to the left. Therefore, data is negatively skewed.